If you don't like spending hours baking, you're not alone. Many of us love the idea of homemade desserts, but dread the time and effort it often takes. The good news is, you don't have to be a professional baker or spend hours in the kitchen to enjoy delicious homemade treats. But still crave sweet treats? There's a solution. Imagine satisfying your sweet tooth with minimal effort and time. Whether it's a sudden craving or a last-minute dessert for guests, quick and easy recipes can save the day. Then these quick desserts are for you. These recipes are designed to be simple, fast, and incredibly satisfying. You don't need fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients, just a few pantry staples and a bit of creativity. Today we're whipping up mouth-watering desserts in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. In the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you can have a delicious dessert ready to enjoy. Let's dive into these quick and delightful recipes. First up, microwave mug cakes. These are perfect for when you want a single serving of cake without the hassle of baking an entire one. All you need is a mug, a microwave, and a few basic ingredients. Mix a few pantry staples and voila! In just a couple of minutes, you'll have a warm, fluffy cake that's perfect for satisfying those late-night cravings or for a quick treat during the day. A fluffy chocolate treat ready in no time. Next, no-bake cheesecake cups. These are great for when you want something creamy and indulgent without turning on the oven. Layer cream cheese, whipped cream, and a bit of sugar for sweetness. You can even add a touch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. The best part? You can customize these cups with your favorite toppings, and fruit toppings for a quick, tasty delight. Fresh berries, chocolate chips, or even a drizzle of caramel sauce can take these cheesecake cups to the next level. Perfect for parties or a spontaneous treat. Imagine serving these at your next gathering and impressing your guests with minimal effort. They look and taste like they took hours to make, but only you will know the secret. How about some frozen yogurt bark? This is a refreshing and healthy option that's perfect for hot days. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Mix yogurt with your favorite fruits and nuts, spread it on a tray, and pop it in the freezer. You can use Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and protein, and add a variety of toppings like granola, coconut flakes, or even a sprinkle of chia seeds. Freeze and break into refreshing bite-sized pieces. Ideal for summer, these are great for a quick snack or a light dessert. Plus, they're a hit with kids and adults alike. For a gourmet touch, try chocolate-dipped fruit. This is a classic treat that's always a crowd pleaser. You can use any fruit you like, but strawberries, bananas, and pretzels are always a good choice. Melt chocolate and dip strawberries, bananas, or pretzels. Simple yet elegant. You can even add a sprinkle of sea salt or a drizzle of white chocolate for an extra touch of sophistication. Finally, instant pudding parfaits. Layer pudding with crushed cookies and whipped cream for a dessert in a jar. These are not only delicious, but also visually appealing. You can make them ahead of time and store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go treat. Customize with your favorite flavors. Whether it's chocolate, vanilla, or even a fruity pudding, the possibilities are endless. Add some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of nuts for added texture and flavor. These recipes are quick, simple, and use minimal ingredients. Perfect for busy schedules. Gain kitchen confidence and discover the joy of making your own desserts without the stress. These recipes are quick, simple, and use minimal ingredients. Perfect for busy schedules. Gain kitchen confidence and impress your friends without the hassle. Imagine the look on their faces when you tell them you made these delicious treats in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed these quick dessert ideas, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We have plenty more recipes and tips to share with you. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes that will make your life sweeter and more delicious. Share your favorite dessert recipe in the comments below. Happy cooking!